Good late morning, Mike V. TradeGATEHub. Incredible. Look at this, as you see. Bottom left, I'm looking at. U.S. equity saw a record inflow over the last month. There's always cash on the sidelines. There's cash in the sidelines. Just it's what our job is, to take money out of the market and just see where they're going and what's working. Let me finish here. Yeah, what stocks are working? We go to the main screen. First of all, a couple of things before I go to the main screen. Got two screens that look similar. Let me go to TradeGATEHub. Okay. I would implore everybody, please, to watch 3 o'clock power hour videos. It's arguable it's the best thing that I do. It's more real-time trading. The red YouTube button is the second best amenity we have at TradeGATEHub besides it being free, literally. Okay, watch Coach's video, 118 views yesterday. My video yesterday, Power Hour. What did we talk about on Power Hour, you ask? I implore everybody, please, to go watch. Sometimes they don't work, sometimes they do. CRDO was the strongest stock on the board yesterday. All right, so it's down a little bit. Actually, stock closed at 72. They took it up to basically 75 in the morning. Okay, yeah, how that it works. Okay, another one that I think I bought 8,000 shares live. BTDR balls were off the board, off the board. Okay, there it was yesterday. Big volume, closed near the high. Even if you're shy, it doesn't matter what the symbols. Could be Campbell's soup, could be gold. New buy stop, new high, 1554. Yes, we had it overnight. Started selling it all the way up. Some selling at 16, sold the last piece at 17.12. They didn't get the top. BTDR was on Power Hour. What else was on Power Hour? A-Lab. Okay, took out new highs, worked again, still resting. Reddit, same thing, all the same ones. A Snowflake, new high. Creme was the reason why a lot are up today. Marvell. I had a dissertation about this, both in yesterday, 11 o'clock, and Power Hour. I am glad this worked because I dissertated how Marvell, for some time, has been literally the strongest semi out there. I'm glad people got rewarded because that was one relative strength that if you looked under the hood and you stare at the screen proverbially every day like I do, that one got rewarded. Bravo to everybody. Yeah, there's another one. NVTS was on Power Hour. Let's go to the main. Let's go to the Jesus feed. NVTS. There's another one. NVTS. The buying continues. Led the buying yesterday. All right. Biggest moves come at the end. It's this type of speculative market, if you will. I would pick people beg to differ with Apple at where they are right now. Microsoft right here, breaking out again. Google, I'm not going to lie. When the rest of the other Mag 7 stock, it's only a matter of time before they take that one up. Today it's Amazon. How you doing? You gonna stop that one? We had a talk yesterday with Coach. The NAS. DQQQ. Still going on there. You gonna step in front of that? They just rotated. Apple took a rest. And I'm telling you, quite honestly, I know Google's the laggard. Microsoft was the laggard. Meta was the laggard. It's only a matter of time for Google. Do what you gotta do. NVTS. Calls off the screen. Where was it yesterday? All right. It's not where a chart has been, it's where it's going. If you missed, you're mad that you missed it at 2. Alt. Had that overnight. Couldn't wait to sell it at 10.20. Tesla. Bullish. This stock's good. Listen. Okay. It might not. but it has every indication it's going to 400, four bills. NVS rumor, my boy Dan for INCY rumor, nothing. That's a rumor. That thing would be up freaking $28. INCY rumor. All right, so listen. Salesforce took the market up. Okta Software, great short Okta Software. Mike V was shorting it all last night. Actually covered some at 89. The low is 84, but the last piece was at 86. Took a little money off. Lilly making highs of the day. How's that chart look? All right. Do I have any Mike V? PLT near highs. Costco near highs. Foot Locker had earnings. Foot Locker. Okay. Big box retailer for sneakers. They blasted, everybody got margined out. They blasted everybody. They waited till about 10:30. Once it broke out of the range. No, I'm not saying it's going to go back to the new highs. Range price action. It's all over the board here. NVIDIA, Sound, another one. There's Sound. Lunar. Try the Lunar. The rest of the sector bounced. Lunar even bounced. Where's Lunar? Chewy had earnings. Did the same thing they did to Chewy that they did to Foot Locker. Dollar Tree had earnings. Couldn't hold the gains. Should have sold it. Listen, it's all you know what it is? It's Marvell. That's the stock to all concentrate on. ARM in the fund nicely. I don't know why that went negative. It should be up more, but it's NVIDIA. ARM goes with NVIDIA. More. MU. All right, you think MU. I mean, Roku worked. Day delay. Roku the day before had a huge range from 68 to 77. Had the typical day delay pull back, as you can see on low volume, to the all-important 50-day launchpad. Missed it. I'm upset. And by the way, calls are going off the board. That's why I brought up Roku, if you can see right here. All right, here's the main board. What's this? Most active on the day, the VIX, 13. You know why there's a record flow of money in the markets? Money managers. The VIX goes below 20. That's the entity. What's the excuse? The lack of volatility. When Apple goes up like this every day, yes, they rotate back and forth. These managers, they got to put money to work. I'm underfunded. ACHR, all you wanted yesterday, right? Gee, where are you? All right. There's Tony Pistachio. ACHR, all you wanted, 640. They flinched. Give it some time. False. You got Black Friday sales, all these shopping things. Shopify, speaking of shop, broke there at Shopify. Want to step in front of this? It's not even close. MP, what happened to that? That was a pure play. MP did not work. I'll have that night to buy. It's a China involved, China. Okay. I'll leave it at that. Here's the most. Any other questions in the room? Mick, where are you? You mad at me? Did I show one of your stocks or something? Lunar, did I do something? It did not work. Silver. Bitcoin recent spot selling Bitcoin seeing a recent program selling. Healthcare buying. Rotation. Always someplace to go. So let's go to this when I see that. Let's go to percent losers in the last 16 minutes. I mean, the market's only been over an hour, you know. BTDR sold it at the high, 1767. Oh, Dave Rigetti, Sava, Hut gave it all back. I sold that at the high. DQ, China, 4. So you know what they're giving back? The Bitcoin flyers, Quantum, drones, MP on the board. HIMS was up nicely, gave it all back. Do I have anything? What's percentage gainers in the last 60 minutes? You know what? I'm hurting. I'm not going to lie. For those followers, oils. I'm diversified and I always got something wrong in or working. But this is Exxon. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if this is gonna do bigger damage to the market. That's not good. PBF is killing me. I'm PBF. I'm long from. I'll show you. The bad thing in PVF, it's in an active fund. It's not even in the. It's in the fund, but I'm 8,000 from 32.30, 30.89. And it looks so good. Yeah, look at it yesterday. How could I not? I loved it yesterday. I loved it breaking out yesterday. All right, it is what it is. Oil's acting bad. Poet. What happened here? I'm long Poet. I sold the stock at freaking five. Look at Poet Technologies. Now I'm long. I sold the stock beautifully today. What's happening? Futures going up. Let's go to the main board. And then he was taking calls, gave it back. SOC. I'm in that one, I'm not going to lie. Poet. AAOI, I'm short. Reddit hanging in there, Lemonade, Toast, DJT, Cart. There's another one, Instacart. Instacart. Everybody's spending money and eating on the couch when they get home. MSTR gave it back, not looking good now. Mara, all the way back. Bird hanging in there, NVIDIA hanging in there. Google hanging in there. Mega hanging in there. It's the oils and the banks that are weak today. Here it is. The second. AI, stock of the day. Is AI. Was alt. Couldn't wait to sell it. In my opinion, Marvell. Uh-oh. Planeteer gave it back today. Listen, Marvell, NVIDIA, the big guys, they're hanging on today. Square. Square still. Square. Leave it there. U.S. Steel flying. Donnie Trump in the news with U.S. Steel. Not interested. Meta taking calls as we speak. Okay, you may not have to buy it, but you get the theme. Meta, what happened here? It's a $400 stock, though. You know what I mean? Lila, what an animal. Poet. I'm long Poet 4,000 from 538, so I will sell 4,000 from 539. I don't like much. D-Dog. Oh, why not? D-Dog. Fins. Some profit taking. ACHR, Rocket Labs, Unity Software still taking calls. You breakout. It's a dog, heavily shorted. All right, I'll leave it there. Any questions? I'll be in the room all day, Mike V. Thanks. It's Amazon too. Amazon's day. It's Amazon's day, and ain't gonna stop. Not gonna stop. Not saying it's gonna go to 250. I don't know where. It's not gonna stop today. Too much fear of missing out. And if they're wrong in Amazon, that type of chart like that, you can put in a type of fund and you could be willing to average down if you want. All right, cheers. Trade well.